guys and gals, and today we are playing Free Fire. So, I don't know about this game, this is new. So, right now it's asking me to actually check, like how am I. So, I'm gonna do beginner. This is the first time I'm playing this game. I've seen the ads on TV. I don't know how the ads came on TV, but let's start. I don't know how this game is or graphics. I never played this, so let's see. It's loading. Okay, so here I can see it's giving me a too little. Now jump. Okay, what's this? If I can prone. Okay, smash. Where the heck should I go? Should I jump in here? Uh, okay. I don't even know what is happening. Okay, let's just start. So it's just so it doesn't actually go the starting screen or something. Nice plane actually. Can I mark things? Yeah. So I'm going on this way. So I'll go this place. Acceleration, drive. Okay. On this, go to the location. Okay, not there. And I'll go on this house. This is my first time playing this game, so please don't think anything like that I'm a noob or something. My first time playing this. And how the heck are people dying so fast? Like, are there 50 people? Okay, there's a guy. So I really need to change the sensitivity. How do I? Okay. These guys are going really slow. Level 3 back so fast. Oh, I can't slide. There was a guy right there. I don't know if you saw the parachute or not, but there was a guy right there. Back. So a helmet. I don't have any ammo right now. It's kind of irritating that you don't have any sliding options. Like, can you slide like this? No, you can't. I thought there was someone here. Okay, there is someone here. Come on, wait. Such a bad gun. The heck is that guy? 200 HP. I see. Where is that guy? He literally was running here. Oh, that's weird. Oh, come on. Don't tell me that he was a bot and he disappeared. Come on, that's not fair. That's really not fair. Okay, give me that vest. Vest level 2, helmet level 2. Where is that guy? Come on, that's not good. Well, I know one thing, that this is my first game, so bots will only come. I play COD Mobile, and you can actually slide, and sliding is a really good thing. So I have medkits. Should I use one? Yeah. Oh, there he is. So easy. I didn't know that that was so easy. This is my first time playing, guys, and I know that was a bot. Um, just move this. Sorry. What the heck I did? I don't know. Yeah, just remove this. Take the med kit. Heal. Heal. Okay, so I need ammo. I'll take AK. SMG. I'll take SMG ammo. Okay. So I think there's nobody right here because I only saw one guy. So let's go. You can't remove the. I think can't remove the spot where we want to go. So if firing is really easy, because you cannot never all go here. The crosshair is really good for hip firing, and I think you have auto shoot or something. Like if you see a guy and shoot at him, it'll just lock on the enemy. Anyone here? No. Like, should I go on the spot? Yeah. No, it's not gone. Okay, there's a guy there. I will take that AR ammo. Medkit. Just heal up pretty quick to empty the bag. That's pretty bad that you can't run, and like you have to stay at one place to actually heal. That's not great. In my opinion, that's not great. I think you will run faster like this. Yeah. 2 kills going right now, and I'm not going nice. It's just that only bots will appear right now because this is my first game, and it will be a easy booyah, I guess. I think that's what we call if you win, right? So guys, um, if you want me to play more Free Fire, just subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Even like the video. So if we get at least 50 likes, I'll make another video on Free Fire. So I think 50 likes is too much. Okay, we'll go 50. I know you guys can do it. Okay, there's the guy. AK. Okay, that was a kill. I'll take the katana instead of that. And something else. Where I have a vest level 2 right here. I wish I got a vest level 3. Well, yeah. Like I am so used to play Call of Duty Mobile that I always go up to here because we don't actually use the run button. So we just go like this, and there's a run sprint option right here. When you go more up, it'll lock. Nobody uses this. I don't know who uses it, but in COD Mobile we actually don't use the sprint button. I'm gonna take out this. Actually, this. Seeing that I'm going to the map like very far away, very easily, that means the map is kind of small. Come on, like, where even are the bots? Yeah, I know that. Where? How? Wait, what? Oh, there's a guy right there. I'm literally just not used to use the button, so I'm literally going like that. AR ammo for sure. Why not? Heal up. Yeah. Now let's talk about the graphics meanwhile. So the graphics are not that great. I don't know why people call that this game has better graphics than PUBG or COD Mobile. I just don't know why. But don't feel bad if you're a Free Fire player or something. I'm a COD Mobile player, so yeah, I don't actually care about talking like that. But still, don't feel bad about that. I'm just gonna take this gun out, reload. Okay, there's a guy right there. Use the scope. Yeah. Bit more of AR ammo. Reload. Medkit. I literally have so many medkits. Gonna take the last one. Yeah, and use this. Okay, that's pretty bad that you can't sprint. And there's a guy right there. I was sure that I saw a enemy mark right here. Okay. Okay, that's a kill. There's a guy right there. A kill. Reload. Where that guy came from? Okay, that guy killed it. That bot or guy killed it. Killed him. Okay, I see a lot of people right now. There's one guy right there. Okay. I need to heal. I need to heal. My vest is almost dead. That was a close call actually. Oh shit. Okay, why I'm not standing? Accelerate. Katana. I can't heal. Oh, that sucks that you can't heal while you're running. That actually sucks. Like there are people everywhere. What should I do? Just go and heal, bro. I'm gonna kill that guy there. Oh, that guy was killed. Where, where was he killed from? I didn't even see anyone. Oh, that's the last guy. I don't know how I'm gonna survive this. Where is that guy? I don't even see him. Oh, that's it. He's going for the loot. And when he... Oh shit. Ah, shit. Oh my god. I was literally... Oh, wait, what? There was literally 7 kills right here. How did it become 10? Okay, that's a glitch or something. Okay, so we didn't won that match and I'm really sad because that was the first match and there will be supposed to be a lot of bots there. And what could I have even done? My vest was about to die. Vest was just dead. What could I have done? So that was my first play of Free Fire. So if we can get 50 likes, I will be sure to make a new video on Free Fire. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm just gonna get this. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.